Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. Last Wednesday, Mark made huevos chorizo for you. I hope I said that right. He's so much better at it than me. And I wanted you to know that he is not the only cook in the family. Genessee would like to show you how to make biscuit pizzas today. Enjoy.
Welcome to Open Hand Farm. We don't make pizza circles. First, I need some help.
What's that one?
First, we use this.
What is this? Is this a biscuit?
A biscuit.
Okay.
We're going to use some sauce. No.
Put it in there, that's fine.
And I got pepperoni and some cheese. How about top of the cheese? And use this to put on the
And what is that?
a pizza.
Okay, but what are the orange things?
Marigold.
Ooh, does that make your pizza pretty?
Yeah.
It does. Do you want to make another one?
Yeah.
Brother's just about done with his sauce here. Okay, brother.
And
Here, brother, you need this.
welcome to Open Hand Farm. We want to make this pizza. Let's put it all around.
Okay, put some on your pizza, brother. Yeah, can you put it on your pizza? Okay,
And put this
you need cheese on your pizza?
on, and then we do that.
You need cheese on your pizza. You might want some more pepperoni than that. Do you want more pepperoni?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna put cheese on your pizza? Yeah, I know you like it, don't you? Okay, let's let sister do her cheese.
And we use cheese. And we try to use some of this.
Perfect.
Not pizza. We want to bake them. Welcome to Open Hand Farm. We don't make pizzas. Cause first we don't use.
What is this?
We don't want to bake pizzas. Cause first we add a biscuit, and then we put sauce on it and spread it around. And then use some pepperoni. And then we use some cheese. And then we use some of this.
And what is that?
A pizza.
What are the flowers?
Marigold. Now we don't want to bake them in pizza. Welcome to Open Hand Farm. Cause now the pieces are done. Cause now this one has flowers. Cause it's so beautiful, and that one too. And these ones don't have flowers. And you put them on the plate. I can't get it.
It's okay. I'll help.
Mommy, Papa.
And brother one?
Now we go eat them. Thank you for watching me today. Blessing to you.
She did a great job, and she was so proud of those pizzas. The reason that I did this video was not just so that you could learn how to make a very simple pizza, but to show you what an impact it is when you allow little hands to be in your kitchen learning and growing. Genessee started making those pizzas when she was Tevia's age. Obviously, he's got a little work to do. And when they're in the kitchen, you do have to be willing to have extra time spent in meal preps and perhaps end up eating something that might have been in their mouth before it got cooked. I figure cooking kills everything. I like to watch Genessee as she creates, and that whole marigold thing, we were out in the garden working and she brought it in, and probably 5 months ago when they first were blooming, she asked me what they were. And anytime that we're in the garden and there is something that is edible, I ask her if she wants to try it. And she tried a marigold petal. She brought this marigold in and just tore it up on the bar and made that pile. And I said, "Oh, honey, we're gonna make our pizzas. Why did you do that?" And she said, "So I can put them on my pizza." I was like, okay then. So she has been in the kitchen long enough that she can become creative and have ideas. Her mom is really good at that too. She will just take things out of the fridge that are all leftover and make this fabulous meal. So she has watched it in progress. Anytime Kaylee and I are working on the island in the kitchen, there are 2 stools. You can hear them scooting across the floor. It's this terrible sound of a dragging stool. There's 4 little hands ready to just pitch in and do whatever they can do. Sometimes it's not much, but we try really hard to teach them and show them new skills, and it really shows. Every time they come to do something else, they remember what they had done before. So I just want to encourage you that if you have little ones in your house, whether it be your little ones, your grandchildren, neighbor kids. I used to have a little neighbor boy that would come over and he would climb up at my bar and he'd just look at me in the kitchen and say, "Miss Penny, I'm so hungry." And of course I had to feed him. Later his mother didn't understand why he never ate dinner when he was supposed to. I think I told her, but I don't know if I did or not. I hope you enjoyed Genessee's video today. And until next time, I pray blessings on you and your little hands that might like to be creative.